Hello dear children, hope you're all doing fine. Today I'm going to show you how to attempt assessment through your LMS. First, you open your app just like this. For example, I'm showing an example with 10th class. Say for example, I open English. In your course, you will find a topic called assessment. So in the topic assessment, you will find here, for example, to show you I have kept demo assessment here. Just click on demo assessment like this. Then it shows add submission, just like this. And above it, you find the question paper. Say for example, demo test. Just click on the demo test. It opens the question paper like this. So class 10th, some demo assignment test 1, and you have the following questions here. So note down the questions. You can take a printout, or you can just by looking at it you can answer in a white sheet. And after answering all the questions given to you, just go back and then click on add submission. After pressing add submission, you get a page like this saying add file. So click on that add file and select camera. For example, you want to directly send it through your camera, or you want to send it through your file, just like WhatsApp. If you make it a PDF, if you know how to make a PDF, you can send it by attaching that PDF file. Or if you don't know how to make a PDF, you can send it like a photograph by pressing this camera. Say for example, I press the camera, I open it, I'm randomly taking some answer sheet, press OK, then the photo automatically comes over here, and then here you can just add, change the name saying that some answer sheet math. If it is first sheet, you can write 1 math 1, okay, and you can say save. If you want to add more, you can add more, or you can say okay. Then it automatically gets saved and it comes over here. Now if there is any problem with it, you can edit the submission. You can again go back, edit it. That means you can go back. Say for example, you have a doubt over here, you want to remove this one and add someone, or you want to add something. If you want to remove, you can just press on remove, delete, and you can add the answer sheet again. Say for example, again this is the answer sheet, press, it comes over here automatically as I said. Okay, give the name, the same thing what I said, answer sheet 1. Okay, save. Once you save it, when you come back, do remember to press submit assignment. Once you submit it, we will be getting that assignment to us, and you will be showing this page saying that submission status is submitted for grading and not graded. Once your teacher corrects your paper, then you can automatically see that it is graded and you can see your marks over there. This is how you can write your assessment. Hope you all understood, dear children. All the best. Write the exams well, do well. Thank you.